Hello friends, in this class I am going to discussing about another important named reaction, that is Meerwin-Pondorf-Verner reduction reaction. I give you a definition of this named reaction and reaction mechanism, and I give you a few applications of this Meerwin-Pondorf-Verner reduction reaction. Now we can see the definition of Meerwin-Pondorf-Verner reduction reaction. The definition of this named reaction, simply ketones are converted into alcohols by treating with isopropanols and aluminum isopropoxides. It forms alcohols. This reaction is known as Meerwin-Pondorf-Verner reduction reaction. Okay, you can see the definition on the board. In this reaction, ketones are converted into alcohols by treating with aluminum isopropoxide and isopropanol. This reaction is known as Meerwin-Pondorf-Verner reaction. Now we can see the reaction of Meerwin-Pondorf-Verner reaction. Okay. Initially we can take a ketone or C double bond O R, which is treated with isopropanol, and aluminum isopropoxide. It forms a alcohol. This is the reaction of Meerwin-Pondorf-Verner reduction reaction. Initially we can take ketone, which is treated with isopropanol and aluminum isopropoxide. It forms a alcohol. Ketones are converted into alcohols. This is the reaction of Meerwin-Pondorf-Verner reaction. Now we can see the mechanism of this named reaction. Now mechanism of this named reaction, that is Meerwin-Pondorf-Verner reaction mechanism. In this mechanism, initially we can take the ketone R bond C double bond O R dash, which is treated with aluminum isopropoxide OCH Me twice. Aluminum isopropoxide. Here this double bond is migration here, and here it forms a carbocation. This carbocation attracts this proton, and here this anion, which is treated with aluminum ion, and it forms a this type of transition state. Here this type of transition state is formed. This type of transition state is formed. Again, in this mechanism, initially you can take the ketone, which is treated with aluminum isopropoxide. Here, this double bond is migration here. Here, a carbocation is formed. This carbocation abstracts this proton. Then this anion, which is treated with aluminum ion, and it forms a transition state. Now in this transition state it forms simply R bond CH bond R dash bond O bond aluminum OCH Me2 twice, and it forms C double bond O dimethyl group. Here, which is reaction takes place H3O plus or H plus ion, then it forms our required product, that is alcohol. R bond CH bond OH bond R dash. This is the alcohol. Simply, ketones are converted into alcohols in this way. Initially, in this mechanism, we can take the ketones, which is treated with aluminum isopropaxate. It forms some transition state, and it forms this type of reaction, and which is treated with this reaction, and which is treated with H plus ion or H3O plus ion. It forms our required product, that is alcohol. Now we can see some applications of Meervin-Pondorf-Verler reaction. Applications. Initially we can take, in this first application, initially we can take a ketone form, that is cyclohexanone, 1-methyl cyclohexanone. Initially we can take 1-methyl cyclohexanone, which is treated with isopropanol and aluminum isopropaxate, aluminum isopropaxate and isopropanol aluminum isopropaxate and isopropanol. It forms our required product, here ketone is converted into alcohol. In this first application we can see 1-methyl cyclohexanone, which is treated with aluminum isopropaxate and isopropanol. It forms alcohol form. Now in the second application we can see substituted benzene or substituted ketone, that is chlorine, parachloro ketone containing compound, same, which is treated with aluminum isopropaxate and isopropanol. Then it forms our required product, alcoholic form, substituted in the same place, and it forms alcohols. Now third application, in the third application we can take ketone containing compound, that is C6H5 C double bond O CH3, which is treated with aluminum isopropaxate and isopropanol, same. In this way we can our required product, that is alcohol, C6H5 CH bond OH CH3. This is the product. These are the applications of Meervin-Pondorf-Verler reaction. I hope you can understand these definition, reaction and mechanism and a few applications of this Meervin-Pondorf-Verler reaction. You can understand, I hope. Thank you.